When it comes to landscape drainage in Michigan, nobody does it better than the French Drain Man crew. The French Drain Man team will tile your yard and take care of all those soft areas, all the standing water. When you install beautiful landscape, trees and shrubs, beautiful brick pavers, and retaining walls, a lot of times these beautiful structures, they do create a drainage problem. Sometimes they're impeding in what used to be the drain easement. The French Drain Man team will tile your entire backyard with drain tile. This drain tile will collect all the water, tighten up the yard, and we evacuate the water from the premises. The French Drain Man team does it better than all the rest. We set the bar years ago, setting industry standards, providing the blueprints that dry up homeowners' yards each and every day. For an estimate, call 248-505-3065.